Hello again. This is a teardown video of two DC contactors, and they're also known as electromechanical relay. The first one is a ZJW300A, meaning 300 amp, 12 volt DC. This is a conventional contactor. That means in order for it to engage, a constant power is required to put on the electromechanical coil to keep it engaged. The second one also have the same part number with the addition of a Z at the end. So it's also 300 amp, 12 volt DC. Let's take a look at the resistance of the coil. The conventional one, the resistance is about 12.3 ohm, and the bistable one is 15.7 ohm. So the bistable one draws a little bit less current. So as I said earlier, the conventional one, you need constant power. In the bistable one, you only need to pulse it one way to engage it, and then you reverse polarity to disengage it. So this is momentary power. Under the stable condition, no power is required to keep it engaged or disengage. So physically, the housing looks the same. The contactor housing looks the same. The plunger also looks the same, but the return spring is different. The conventional one have a weaker spring, and the bistable one have a much stronger return spring. Additionally, the conventional contactor have no diodes, and the bistable reverse polarity looks something like a Zener diode in it. Furthermore, the conventional one doesn't need a switch in here, but the bidirectional one need a contact switch to tell if the plunger is up, that means engage, or down, which is disengage. So this is basically the difference between the two contactors. They both work well, except this one requires a constant current of about 1 amp. And this one, you just have to pulse it with less than 1 amp in one way to engage, and then pulse it again, less than 1 amp to disengage. So there you have it. Oh, one last thing. The conventional one, actuating plunger is just an iron core. In the bistable one, is actually a magnet inside. I could show you. See, there's a magnet inside to keep it in a stable position. Sorry. Have a good day. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye-bye.